Baba God, I say make I hear you. You too much. For everything wey you do for me. Baba, nobody fit do wetin you do for me. Now you be the Baba God wey I get. Okaka masi amasi, dike na dimba. Olori helori, agune echemba. Now you will make me do this work. For this work wey you give me sef, my belle dey sweet me. You carry me comot for that local village where I dey waka up and down, bring me for city. Now I dey work for as Federal Republic officer in law for this country. Baba, you do me better thing. I just wan beg you, I beg, Baba help me o. Make I no dey fight people, make I no dey abuse people up and down. Make my oga for office DPO no sack me because I dey
sister, person no go fit sleep for this house. You go pray morning, pray night, every day prayer. But you go still comot for outside, go dey curse people outside.
Weke. Ife melodike. Na me you dey talk to like that. See this
go pray morning, pray night, person no go fit sleep.
Na that prayer go punish you. Ogbonge. So na all this bad luck and na you dey cause am. I dey pray, you dey talk. Idiot. Ezibi.
Just dey for the room, dey for the room.
Ketebala chakwa ganyebo polomi chageze. Idiot. Ewu Gambia. Baba God, I beg, no vex. That muge, I go soon send her go village. I see say na she wan cause me and you problem. I beg because help me. Make I no dey cause people. Make I no dey fight. I wan change. I don go late though. I no even know which kind. Where you dey? Monica, where the thing where you dey?
I dey come,
You know say you be mumu. After you go stand for road, you and those boys. Now you sorry for you.
Sister, you no go change one, you no go find another one. Na this police one. After if I comot for road, those children go dey curse me, say my sisters no dey do im job.
If I samaka you, I don go work. Make sure you wash those clothes. You dey hear me now? No be after I go see you go stand for road with different boys. I know why I dey warn you. Because if I dey talk, you go dey talk, abi?
Biati.
Where that mumu girl? Where my jacket? You carry me, you no bring.
Biati. If a melody can.
Biati.
Isi coconut. Abu some
See officer, you know something like. I tell you go right down, you go right for me 125.
Beatrice is going. She's under control. Can she maintain?
Now that's something go kill you.
Beauty is going. She's under control, but can she maintain? Today she go. Tomorrow
my fans. I can see you people are hailing me.
Yes.
Hail me very well. Call me Officer Biati. Adeku could not help. I know the fear word. We do I samaka you.
Jackie China.
You fair Melody.
Biati. If I'm a polodike, open eating pataka.
I salute you.
Come on, vocabulary. Japanese capola. Radio without a battery. Give me your driver silence. If you say Biati, you want yourself by yourself. Then say yourself by yourself and yourself. Biggie, Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom
I'm the officer in law of the Federal
If a melody
Republic
can.
of Nigeria.
Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom See officer in charge. Biati.
I'm in charge.
Oh yes, so Biati na wajaya. Okwa confused. Kini kama dumelo. Pick up and beat them up. Full master. Jackie China. Pick up boy fair.
Stop!
Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom nele. Biati. Ife melody ke. Biati. Isi coconut. Bosom nele. See officer in Biati. Biati. She's going, she's under control. Can she maintain?
You see that Obiago?
Is going, she's under control, but can she maintain?
Hello?
Today she go good.
How are you? You are cute. You look good. Hi boy. Bye. Bye. Hello?
Checkpoint.
Got you.
Beatrice, one is because of man past checkpoint. Why is it that every time you behave like somebody who has gone haywire?
You see fine boy, you don't get respect. You see that fine boy? You want interrupt me. You dey put sound for my garri.
Enough, Beatrice, how are you?
I dey fine.
How is the family?
Hey, I don't tire. I just dey dance for road.
How is the family?
My family dey fine. Hey.
Your brothers?
My brother dey fine.
What about your sister?
Wow. My sister dey fine, Obiago.
And your grandfather?
My grandfather dey fine.
What about your grandmother?
My grandmother dey fine.
Wow, that's nice.
Obiago, how your wife?
She's beautifully well.
How your children?
They are doing very well.
How the boy?
My boy is good.
And the girl?
I am flabbergasted by the love of God towards her.
What of the small pikin where they crawl?
You mean my boy? He's very, very fine.
Very good. What of the one where they inside the?
Oh, you mean my child? He is doing beautifully well. He's kicking.
What of the fruit of the womb of your wife? Nyambulo sisi. No, the answer me na greeting go work for you. No, the girl. I never asked you finish. What of the king for your village? And the elders, all of them, how then they? If I dey ask you, they answer me because you ask me everything, I answer you. How the Omadio have for a village? No, you go tell me. How AIG? Answer me. Na greeting I come work
AIG
today.
Obiago.
Very good.
Beatrice.
How the AIG of police?
What you and two of you they had the talk? They ask sweet picture. No. Say DPO say report for station by 10 o'clock.
Now you sabi.
Huh?
Concern you.
Oh,
They answer me and they ask you. What of commissioner of police?
I don't do like they come out too.
Beatrice.
No.
Do you know that too much talk can damage your vocal cord and your trachea? Don't you know that?
Now your vocal cord damage.
Well, I have seen that standing here and talking to you is like one hovering over a Bermuda Triangle.
You the craze.
Now,
inside that Bermuda you go die. He go kill you.
Beatrice, I can see that you have taken that alcoholic content that seems like an aphrodisiac to you, which makes you exhibit your destitutional and delinquential attitude.
Now you sabi down. Now you go fall inside that afro. That afro now you get.
Beatrice, I am Bamusin.
Nah, you dey come here, they ask me your family. Come still ask me of my family. You do alright. Me and you who drink. You dey ask me your family. You still ask me of my sister. Mugu. I go dey that office before you. Me you no go talk the one way I know you. Cause I know you.
Biati, ife mekwalo dike, opani itim pataka, common vocabulary, Japanese vocabulary, radio without a battery, give me your driver's silence, Beatrice, if you see Beatrice, you want yourself by yourself, then say